Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll showing you how to download Instagram videos or Reels on Instagram. As of the moment, you can't really download video direct from Instagram. However, you can actually use an outside link or third-party link to download any videos on Instagram. So, let's get started. First, open up Instagram app on your mobile. Now search and open up your video or Reels that you wanted to download. For example, I want to download one of the motivation video. I will tap on this Reels option. I would like to choose this one and tap on that Reels. To download this video Reels, all you have to do is go to that video, click on this symbol on the lower right corner of the screen. And then from there you will see these options. Now what you should do is to copy the link of this video. So click on the button that says copy link. Once you've done that, the link will be copied for this video. So you already have that on your clipboard. And now let's hop out here. Now in order to download the Instagram Reels, just go to any type of web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. So I will tap on Google Chrome right now. Tap on search bar and type Snap Insta app. And then from there you can see the Snap Insta app on the very first search. Click on Snap Insta app here. Here you can see multiple options at the top depending on what you want to download. There got downloader for Instagram video, Instagram photo, Instagram story, Instagram Reels, and Video TV. Since I copy Reels from Instagram just now, so all I have to do is paste in the Instagram Reel URL link that I've just copied over to this section here. And now hit download. It will pull up the specific video or Reels. Just scroll down, and you can see here is the video and download video option. Just click on it. Then now you can see download button at the bottom of your screen. Just click on it. Once you clicked on download, you will see that the video is now automatically downloading. Just wait for that to complete here. Now the download is completed and saved on phone. I can find it in my downloads folder in Safari or wherever it may be. Click on that, you will see the Instagram video that we just downloaded. And you won't see any watermarks or Instagram hashtags. Now you can watch or share or whatever you want with the video, but keep in mind that specific video is copyrighted because it's from somebody else. Thus again, make sure that you're doing something that is legal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe for my channel to help my channel grow in future. Thanks in advance. See you in the next video.